Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with a Slimline Sunday project to share. It is a swap. I received 14 Slimline projects at my meeting in July, and this is my favorite. It uses a bundle that I own, Timeless Tropical, that I have not used as much, anywhere near as much as I should have. And right now we are currently in Florida, and it would be nice if I made some, I'm sitting here amongst palm trees in the trailer, so it would be nice to make some cards to share with friends. And so this set needs to be sitting out on my desk, apparently. And I have this wonderful project to share. The person painstakingly wrote out index cards for everybody. Let's see, what does she have to say? It is a 3.5 by 8.5 card. She did black glittered organdy ribbon, and what I really like about it is, drum roll, here it is, the treatment that she did with the palm trees. Love the white heat embossing, using the textured, tasteful textile background on the layer behind. I love skinny borders, and she gave it a nice slender border for the card base showing. She did a fussy cut for Our Friendship is Timeless in black, and then used that black organdy ribbon. So how she did the colorful background was on their Fluid 100, and if you've ever wondered, Fluid 100 is a professional watercolor paper. This is the 140-pound version of it, and you can buy it. The Stampin' Up comes in 5x7s, and it is sold by the places like Dick Blick Art. So I mean, it is a true watercolor paper, very high quality. It is a cold press, if you are into that sort of thing. And the colors she used aqua painters, so she did the technique where you take a full-size ink pad and you squish it so that some of the ink gets on the lid. I don't own any full-size ink pads because of my traveling space limitations. So for me, I would take a piece of Teflon or the silicone mat that Stampin' Up sells, and I would take a cube or re-inkers, and I would get that surface wet, use my aqua painter. And the colors she used, I'm very grateful that she wrote them all down, is Highland Heather, Magenta Madness, Calypso Coral, Granny Apple Green. Oh, that's funny. She actually did not write down her yellow, which is probably Daffodil Delight. This is a card that she cased and modified from Tammy Wilson, and her name is Kathy Wiley, and she is from North Carolina. So what I want to show you is, you can see that she ripped the top and bottom all the way across. And what I love about this project is that when you open it up, she actually reused the torn pieces, which is great to reuse. I love anything that is efficient in the use of my supplies, and I think this is a great treatment. And the only thing I would do with this project, which I actually think it's totally fine 100% without anything else done to it, but I did want to share with you some options if you're a completionist person that really thinks that everything has to have embellishments. I have a few embellishments to share as options, but I am not going to put any on because I am going to use this project as is. So I love the Artistry Blooms adhesive sequins. They have no holes in the center. In fact, Stampin' Up has changed their sequin strategy, and they do not put holes in the centers, and I think that the result is a great paper crafting technique. It makes the sequins look unique, and it gives a lot more sparkle and interest. So any of these colors mixed and matched on the surface, I think it is even okay to use the blue, even though there's no blue on it. And that would be one fun way to deck out this card with some embellishing. I have in the holiday catalog, the matte decorative dots, and I think that the green, yellow to orange, these are ombre, so you get quite a range of color out of them. I would not use the green. I might use the red, but I definitely think that the green and yellow mixed along the card would be nice in the various sizes. If you want to focus more on the yellows and the pinks, there's the 2020 to 2022 in color enamel dots. New for this year, there's the square gems that I really love and have been using a lot, and you could mix in the pink and the yellow for sure, and possibly the green. Again, I love this card. In fact, I like all of the swaps, the Slimline ones. This is why I'm doing Slimline Sunday, so I can get all of these shared with you guys before I have to send them off, because I need to start sending these out. This one did not come with an envelope, so what I did is I just went to actually the dollar store and I bought business envelopes to send these out in, and I'll probably stamp them up. Most of the projects I have, if I don't have the stamp set or bundle, I have something that I can use on the envelopes to decorate them. Luckily, this one is already decorated on the inside, and I can get this sent out. So, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave them here on this video or over on my blog, where I will have the full supplies list that links to my store for shopping. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Done.